So I wasn't able to finish the last video, but we ended off on 3. What observation led to the smallpox vaccine? And that would be because dairy maids did not normally get smallpox. Number 4, according to this method of identifying a disease-causing agent, the pathogen must first be present in all hosts that have the disease. Number 5, pasteurization refers to a method designed to what? Prevent spoilage of food. Number 6, Ignaz Semmelweis' contribution to medicine was to encourage hand washing in hospitals. Now, next, conclusion. The 5 types of pathogens that we spoke about, and that would be bacteria, viruses, fungi, protists, and parasitic worms. Your body is naturally full of microbes. However, these microbes only cause a problem when your immune system is weakened or if they manage to enter a normally sterile part of your body. So pathogens are different and can cause disease upon entering the body because they are organisms that cause disease. And all pathogens need to thrive and survive in a host. So once the pathogen sets itself up in its host's body, it manages to avoid the body's immune responses and use the body's sources to replicate before exiting and spreading to a new host, which is why in our body, in the beginning days when you get sick, it is worse and slowly goes away because after it has invaded our body, our immune system takes time to fight it off. And yes, because because it's replicated, so it's a little bit hard. There's so many of the what do I say, the pathogens in our body. But yes, pathogens can also be transmitted a few ways depending on the type. They can spread through skin contact, bodily fluids, airborne particles, contact with feces, and touching a surface touched by an infected person. So, protecting it against pathogens, you can do so by washing your hands often, getting vaccinated, cook your foods properly. So the better, like meat, the better it's cooked, the more safe you should be. Stay at home when you're sick, especially if you have a fever or diarrhea or vomiting. Do not share personal items, especially razors or toothbrushes. Do not drink glasses. Do not share drinking glasses or utensils. Protect yourself against insect bites and travel wisely by getting informed about health risks and special vaccines. So, again, are they all harmful? No. They are actually more so helpful in our body, but at the same time, they get us sick and they bring us pain, but it's not like death, like, it's not life threatening. Some can be, most aren't. So, yes, treatments, antibiotics, and antivirals, such as vaccines or whatever it is. But yes, that is the end, and here are some references. And I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and thank you.